It's a new 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: inline 4-cylinder engine, heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, steering assist cruise control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, inductive device charging, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.